Welcome to our channel where we explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its impact on our daily lives. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button for weekly updates to keep you updated on all things health and wellness. Today we're diving into the AI food revolution and how it's transforming the way we eat. Gone are the days of flipping through cookbooks or searching for recipes online. AI-powered food platforms are here to make meal planning a breeze. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can access personalized recipes tailored to your dietary preferences and restrictions. From vegan to gluten-free, AI ensures that your meals cater to your unique needs. But AI doesn't stop at recipe recommendations. It's also revolutionizing the way we find ingredients. Imagine a world where you no longer have to wander aimlessly through the grocery store. AI-powered apps can generate smart shopping lists based on your recipes, ensuring you never forget an item again. Beyond shopping, AI is also influencing how we cook. Smart kitchen appliances infused with AI technology can adjust cooking times and temperatures automatically, guaranteeing perfectly cooked meals every time. Whether you're a novice or an experienced chef, AI has your back in the kitchen. But it doesn't end there. AI is even transforming the dining experience itself. Restaurants are implementing AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants to enhance customer service and streamline the ordering process. No more waiting for a server to take your order, just a simple interaction with an AI assistant. With the rise of AI, our eating habits are changing for the better. We're becoming more efficient, more creative, and more aware of our nutritional needs. So, embrace the AI food revolution and enjoy a future filled with delicious possibilities. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on the world of AI. See you next time.